Tired of printing, signing, and scanning documents? Let's ditch the paper and create signable documents directly in DocuSign. First, log into your DocuSign account, and on the home page, find and click the New button. Usually located near the top left of your screen, this is where your document creation journey begins. Next, you have two main options: upload an existing document or use a template. Today, we'll focus on uploading a document. Click the upload option to select a file from your computer. DocuSign supports various file types like PDF, Word documents, and more. Once you've selected your file, DocuSign will begin uploading it. The progress bar will keep you updated on the status. Give it a moment to fully load the document into the system. Now that your document is uploaded, you'll see a preview of it on the left-hand side. You'll find a toolbox with different fields you can drag and drop onto your document. This includes signature fields, initial fields, date signed, and text boxes. To add a signature field, simply click and drag the signature field from the toolbox to the desired location on your document. You can resize and reposition the field as needed. Now, assign the recipient. Select the appropriate recipient from the drop-down menu associated with the signature field. DocuSign allows you to specify different recipients and assign them specific fields to fill out. After adding all the necessary fields and assigning recipients, carefully review your document to ensure everything is accurate. Once you're satisfied, click the Send button, usually located at the top right corner of the screen, and there you have it. Your document is now ready for signatures within DocuSign.